Hey John, morning. How are you? You all right? Well, I'm excited to be back.
We've been making the Nelson base layer for 5 years. We make it right here in Leicestershire, the heart of British knitwear production. We call it the Nelson, after one of Shackleton's sled dogs. It had a black patch around its left eye. The base layer is the foundation of any layering system. Having a good one makes all the difference. The Nelson is entirely seamless. It's made in one piece, which means no friction and no distraction. That's vital when you're on expedition. This side ribbing is engineered to ensure the Nelson gives a perfect stretch fit. The yarn we use is one of the very best Merinos available anywhere. Merino has near mythical qualities. It cools when you're hot, warms you in the cold, and it's antimicrobial. I wonder where all these will travel to. Some will certainly end up in the polar regions, some in the Himalayas, and some to a desert, and I guess a lot will go skiing in the Alps and hiking in Norway. Wherever in the world they go, I know that each Nelson is crafted with quality, care, and precision.
Right then, John, that's me done. Okay, Ian, great to see you. See you again. See you again soon.
The Nelson base layer is British made for exploration worldwide.